What if I told you the next Mercedes E-Class is not just a new car? It's basically a rolling smart device on wheels, not a small upgrade, not a simple redesign. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class is turning into something much bigger, a car that mixes luxury, artificial intelligence, and future tech in a way we haven't really seen before in this segment. And honestly, this might be the moment where the E-Class stops being just a luxury sedan and starts becoming something closer to a digital luxury experience. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the new E-Class looks familiar, but look a little closer and you'll see the difference. Mercedes kept the classic executive shape, but the details are sharper, smoother, and more futuristic. The front now carries a wider grille with a more aggressive stance, paired with slim LED headlights that almost look like they're glowing. The body lines are cleaner than before, which helps the car cut through the air more efficiently. The rear also gets a fresh look, with redesigned LED taillights that stretch across the back, giving the car a more premium and modern presence on the road. It still looks like an E-Class, but now it feels much closer to something from the future. But the real story starts once you step inside. Mercedes has completely transformed the cabin into a high-tech digital space. The centerpiece is the massive dashboard display system, powered by the latest Mercedes-Benz operating system. This system controls almost everything in the car: navigation, media, climate, lighting, and even entertainment apps. Yes, actual apps. Mercedes is pushing the idea that your car should feel as connected as your phone. Passengers can watch videos, play games, or even join online meetings directly from the screen. The system also uses artificial intelligence to learn your habits. If you always turn on heated seats in the morning, the car remembers. If you prefer a certain music playlist while driving at night, it suggests it automatically. It sounds small, but over time, it makes the car feel like it knows you. And Mercedes didn't stop there. The E-Class is also packed with advanced driver assistance technology. It can help with steering, braking, lane changes, and even long highway drives. In certain conditions, the car can handle a large part of the driving workload, making long trips far less stressful. Under the hood, the story is also evolving. Most versions of the E-Class are now using electrified engines. That means mild hybrid systems and plug-in hybrid options, designed to improve both performance and fuel efficiency. You still get strong power, smooth acceleration, and that quiet luxury feeling Mercedes is known for, but with better efficiency and lower emissions. And of course, comfort remains a big part of the E-Class identity. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps almost effortlessly, while the cabin stays incredibly quiet even at highway speeds. High-quality leather, soft ambient lighting, and premium materials everywhere remind you that this is still one of the most respected luxury sedans in the world. For decades, the E-Class has been the middle ground in the Mercedes lineup, sitting between the sporty C-Class and the flagship S-Class. But with this generation, Mercedes seems to be changing that idea. The new E-Class is no longer just the middle option. It's becoming a technology bridge, bringing flagship-level innovation into a car that many more people can actually own. So the real question is this: is the 2026-2027 Mercedes E-Class still just a luxury sedan, or is it slowly becoming the smartest car Mercedes has ever built? Because if this is the direction Mercedes is going, the future of driving might look very different from what we're used to.